For me, as a Chinese teacher, sometimes I met some really interesting Chinese name. I have heard one of my male students whose name is 香蕉. 香蕉 means banana. You can imagine. There is a male student whose name is banana. I know you like eat banana, but if you take it as your name, I mean, as a man, banana, wow. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daisy, and what is your name? 你叫什么名字? That will be the first conversation when you met someone new, right? So I believe you definitely need an impressive Chinese name. So in this video, I will going to help you to choose a perfect Chinese name for yourself. So now, let us start it. Just simply transliterate your English name to Chinese. For example, your English name, let's say Jack, right? Jack, 2 syllables. We can break down Jack, and then we will find out 2 Chinese characters, the pronunciation, which is really close to your English pronunciation. Jack, so in Mandarin we call it 杰克, 杰克, Jack. 杰克, you see, really similar. That's the first way you can do just directly translation. So now I will give you example. That is we usually do in China. For example, Bill Gates, we call it 比尔盖茨. Obama, we call it 奥巴马. Harry Potter, we call it 哈利波特. Elon Musk, we call it 埃隆马斯克. And also there are some common transliterate English name. You may can find your name there. For example, 艾玛, which is from 艾玛, 凯特, which is from Kate, 威廉, which is from William, 汤姆, which is from Tom, 艾利克斯, which is from Alex, Anna, which is from Anna, 大卫, which is from David. By the way, what is your name? If you can leave a comment, we can help you to give you the best translation for it. Secondly, if you want a special Chinese name, we can give you advices here. So if you are a gentleman, you can choose the characters that can represent your personality or the kind of person you want to be. For example, Han means to be lenient or have a large capacity to hold the water. Yu means the universe. So if someone's name is Han Yu, which usually is male's name, and this name reminds us of a person who is always patient to others. There are also some common Chinese characters. Usually, Chinese will use it in male's name. For example, Hao means vast, Wei means great, Ju means raise, Lei means frank. If you are simply think, I'm super handsome, I want to use handsome in my name, that is totally fine, because in China, lots of males' names, they will put the handsome into their name, which is shuài. Shuài means handsome and brave. If you are a lady, there are also some advices for you. You can use the characters that represent your favorite plants. For example, fēng means the maple or being independent. Rui means the statement. If someone's name is Feng or Rui or Feng Rui, which usually is a girl's name, and that reminds us of a beautiful and quiet independent girl. There are also some common Chinese characters that we'll use in Chinese female's name. Yan means really knowledgeable. Mu really classic and ladylike. 慢 really sexy and delicate. Hold on, what? You want to know my name? Okay, my name is Peng Yun. Peng means the rock on the sky, the rock, the big bird. Yun means the cloudy on the sky. So that maybe in your mind sounds nice, a kind of big rock fly on the sky. But actually, it doesn't work in this way. In China, for some maybe 40 years old men, their name will be Peng Yun. So for me, personally, I prefer you call me Daisy. Also, be careful to add numbers in your name. For example, number 4, 4, is a really bad number. The pronunciation of number 4 is the same with the pronunciation of das. And also for number 2, we call it 二. 二 is a really silly name in China. So do not put 二 and 4 in your name. For example, in some Chinese TV show, you will see somebody's name is 二丫, 二狗, 二蛋. Those things are super silly. People just take piece out of it. So don't use it as your name. If you want to know more culture stories behind the number, please click the link here. You can check it out. There are 2 cultural differences between East and West for the name. Firstly, you guys have the middle name. In China, we do not have middle name. And secondly, the name order are different. You guys is first name plus last name. For us, we will say our last name, which is family name first, and then we say our first name. Alright, that is all about today. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And by the way, if you want a perfect Chinese name, just leave your English name in the comment area. We will reply you with a perfect Chinese name. And many thanks for you watching my video. I'm Daisy. I'm here to help you learning Mandarin. And I will see you every Friday at 6 p.m. Thank you guys. 再见，拜拜。